Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at the mini PC Geekom XT12 Pro. It's a compact desktop computer that can easily replace a full-size tower in everyday work. Before we start, drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Let's go! The PC comes in a small box. Inside you get the mini computer itself, a power adapter, cable and a user manual. Everything is packed neatly and gives the impression of a premium device rather than a budget one. Unbox it, plug it in, and you're ready to work. The case is stylish, minimalistic and very compact. It takes almost no space on the desk and can even be mounted behind the monitor. This makes it a great option for office setups, home workstations or study spaces. Build quality feels solid, the device looks neat and pleasant to hold. The system boots quickly and runs smoothly even with multiple apps open. It's suitable for video editing, photo work, office tasks, studying and everyday workflows. You can connect two monitors and peripherals, creating a comfortable workplace. It can handle heavy files and professional software unless we're talking about modern gaming. The XT12 Pro is extremely compact but powerful for real-world tasks. It works quietly and doesn't turn your desk into a mini heater like large PC cases. Great for editing, productivity, graphics work, learning and home use. It saves a lot of space and replaces bulky desktop towers easily. Under heavy load, you may notice some heat. Integrated graphics isn't enough for demanding modern games on high settings. The price is higher than basic mini PCs, but the performance matches the cost. Geekom XT12 Pro leaves a very positive experience. It performs tasks confidently, launches programs instantly, and handles editing and graphics work well. If you want a powerful PC in a small form factor, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching till the end. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you switch from a big PC to a mini one? See you in the next videos.